Hello, my fellow cat enthusiasts. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm unboxing the MeowBox. It says, hi, Vivi and Sylvester. And Vivi's here, Sylvester's back there eating. So I'm gonna speak a little bit more quietly than usual today because if I speak too loudly, it freaks them out. And I have tried and failed once before to film a cat box unboxing because I was speaking too loudly and they wouldn't stay put, they would just run away. So we're gonna try something different. It's working. Do you want Mommy to help? Wow, you have drooled all over this already. What did you get? Let's take the tag off first. So we got a little Pusheen boombox. Get it, get it. We have a kitty fanny pack. I would not tie this around their neck, but I think that's what you're supposed to do. I feel like that's mean, so I'll just let them play with it. They got a roller skate. You want a roller skate? Yes, you do. We have a floppy disk labeled cat pics. If you were not alive in the 80s as I was, you may not remember these, but this is what we used back in the dark ages, before we had the cloud. And then we have a laser pointer, and they did not include batteries, so I'm gonna have to go to the drugstore and get batteries before I can use this. I also went the extra mile and I sprung for some catnip wine. This is obviously not really wine. I think it is beet juice based, and I love beet juice. I drink it every day, but this stuff stinks. It smells really bad. It smells like a skunk. It does not smell good, and he didn't like it at first, but I'm gonna pour it in a water dish and see if they'll try it. And we seem to have lost Vivi. Where's your sister? No, not an alcoholic. No, that's okay. All right, that failed. Well, the wine was a flop. They did not like it at all. But I think it's safe to say that the rest of the goodies were a big hit. Did you guys like your 80s box? Did you like the 80s box? And that wraps it up.